Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. We'll follow up on that Marx 593. Pre-war motors, spoked wheels. Got this thing up and running quite well. Now, if you noticed in the video, the pilot, the cow catcher, was broken virtually in half, and half of it was missing. So what I did was sawed the pilot off of a 490 shell. It's an old shell that's broken, as you see. Anyway, sawed the pilot off and then carefully fit it to the front of this locomotive. And I've got it mounted, of course, with epoxy putty. So from a foot away, you would never know that this was ever damaged. And I touch up the paint on this, oil it. This is actually going to be a really decent looking locomotive. That being a relative term, it's going to be a really decent looking $8 locomotive, no doubt. Anyway, it's got its new pilot. The contactor is repaired. I have lubricated it. This is pulling 14 full-size Lionel cars, as you see. So this even has the original light bulb in it. Okay, that's right at 50% power. So, like I said, unless you knew that pilot was broken off, you would never know that pilot was broken off. And you cannot tell it. Pick it up and look at it, you can, but even from a foot away, you can't tell. So, in any case, this reinforces everything I say. Don't overlook the junk. You know, this thing was broken, the contactor was broken, but about, I don't know, a total of half an hour of my time now, something like that. This old locomotive is up and running forward and reverse. It's running splendidly. There's no problem with this at all. Pre-war motor with spoke wheels, even has the bypass switch on the side of the E unit to turn it off. So you can have it running forward only, have it running backwards only. As you see, this is running absolutely splendidly. So I'll touch up the paint, a couple of drops of oil, have a really, really decent pre-war locomotive for $8. So anyway, as you see, that actually looks quite respectable. So I touch up the paint, no one would ever know that this locomotive was damaged. So anyway, just a quick follow-up on this. I added a traction tire to it, pulling 14 Lionel cars, runs forward and reverse. As you see, this old locomotive runs actually quite well. So pre-war, this thing's about 80 years old. And running splendidly. I gotta say it again, don't overlook the junk. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.